guys, welcome back to my channel. So this channel is Iconic Surbhi and I am your Surbhi. So today I'm going to review some of products that I've tried from MyGlam in the last year, and from some of the products I am so amazed and blown up, and some of are like they made me so disappointed. So I am here to just give you a full review, like a detail or a honest review on all of these products. So if you are interested to watching, then please keep watching till the end, and don't forget to like this video, share this video, and comment down below. And please guys, just ignore my hairs because they like got crimped for the last shoots that had happened recently. So I will update you which kind of a shoot I have done in my like Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. So yeah, let's begin with today's video. If you are new on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel from that red button, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so you can just be updated. So I have this box which is full of product from MyGlam, and I will be reviewing one, like all of them, one by one. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, I will pick the product like which will come obviously by itself. So first of all, I am having this MyGlam K Play Peach blush, which is from a K Play range, and that's I have tried in 03 Sweet Peach shade. So it's kind of a peachish and corally shade. Like let me show you the product exactly. So this is the exact shade. It comes in a very creamy and soft texture. Like the texture is very powdery or creamy kind of, and it it is very pigmented. So my thoughts about this blush is it's a very good blush. Although if you are having the skin tone just like me, like fairest or fair to medium skin tone, so you can definitely go for this product. I mean, it comes in this kind of a packaging. The packaging is almost so good, and the MRP of this product is 645 rupees, and it comes in 9 gram of quantity. And the product pan is looking also so good because it comes in like a swill, or what it calls, kind of a packaging that always make me attracted for this. So yeah, definitely you can go for this product. When I use this product, I really loved this product, and the texture, the blendability is so good. It doesn't look patchy on your skin and blends very easily. So definitely you can go for this blush, and the shade also so perfect for upcoming summers and the for winters as well, for our fair to medium skin tones people, because it complement our skin so well. So definitely you can go for this blush, and I am highly recommending to you. So it not a pass, it's a hit. So definitely you can go. Okay, so the next product is again a blush, and that is from also MyGlam Treasure It blush. It is from Treasure It range, and I am in the shade 05 Attraction, and it comes in 4 gram of quantity and cost you rupees. There is nothing mentioned about the price. So it has also a very smooth texture and comes in a 4 gram of quantity. It's very smooth and powdery kind of texture it is. And look at the shade. So this is a very beautiful pink nude shade that also looks so good on our fair to medium Indian skin tone. Like let me apply a little bit. Although I have already applied the previous one blush that I shown to you, but yeah, just for a demo I'm just applying it, and look at that, it looks so beautiful. But the one thing that I don't like about this product is it is little bit powdery side. Like if you really want to set your cream product or a creamy blush, then definitely you can go for this one. Also for the winters, please, if you are having dry skin, so just having the dry skin, so just ignore this blush for the winters, but definitely in the summers you can go for this one. So it's a hit, not the next product is from MyGlam Super Serum Compact that I used so much, guys. This is the one of the compact that I used to the whole year in 2024, and I hit the pan, you guys can see. So this is a very good product, and it sets your base so easily, so quickly, without giving a patch or crackiness on your skin, and it not look so bad on your skin. It doesn't make your skin so dry. If you are having the dry skin, also can go for this one, but I'm having the oily skin, so it suits me so perfectly, like so easily, so well. So yeah, people can go with this compact whether they are having the oily skin, combination skin, and also the dry skin. And can't say about the very very dry skin or a very oily skin, but yeah, I am at the combination skin side, so you can definitely go for this compact powder. And my shade is 102W beige, and it comes in 9 gram of quantity. Also, it's very affordable. It is costed you uh, 499 rupees. But the one thing is, you will get this compact in a very affordable price. Sometimes the sale always goes on the MyGlam website, and you can grab the offers as well. So yeah, definitely can go for this product. It's again a very very hit one. Let's talk about the another base product, and that is the MyGlam vitamin C Lumi cream. It is illuminating moisturizer with Kakadu plum. So it has the goodness of Kakadu plum, and it is a illuminating moisturizer that you can use for the daily basis as well, for your college or for your daily makeup looks. If you are a college going girl or an office going girl or a very normal girls who just love to love to apply a very less amount of makeup and want a dewy look for the daily basis, definitely can go for this one. It has vitamin C as well, which helps to get a better complexion or fade out the discoloration in your skin. So definitely you can go for this stroke cream. What are my thoughts about this? This is a very good Lumi cream that I have ever tried. Like, I have tried the NYB Lumi cream. I have tried the illuminating sunscreen from Sugar, that I doesn't like. This was the worst illuminating sunscreen that I have ever tried. So, but if I talk about this Lumin cream, this is so good. I mean, let me show you the swatch. Like, I have done this makeup look by all using these products which I'm showing you right now. So this is the Lumi cream, and it just gives you a very shuttle look, not chunky and not shimmery. It doesn't make your face so glowy and fake glow look. Like, look at that, just blends into the seconds and just gives you a very subtle glowy look on your face. So definitely you can go for this one. This is highly recommended क्योंकि ये मैं डेली लाइफ में भी यूज़ करती हूँ. So definitely you can go for this one whenever I just feel like that I want a very glowy makeup look, but like a minimal makeup look. I mean, I really want to say, for the winters and summers as well. So I always go for this one. Definitely it's a hit product. Now let's talk about some eyes product, and this is the MyGlam Super Lash Volumizing Mascara, and it comes like in this kind of a packaging. And if I talk about the brush or the applicator, so it has the bubble bond, which I loved so much whenever I apply or use this mascara. First of all, the product is not so heavy. It doesn't look so heavy and fake on your lashes, but as well as at the same time, it just makes your lashes so bigger and the lengthy, and also gives you a fuller look. And the best part is, this is the bubble bond that make the application easy. I mean, whenever you apply this mascara, it will not make your eyelashes clumsy, or it not always get transferred into your into your skin or in under your eye. Because like, look at that, जो मस्कारा मैंने आज अप्लाई किया है वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. प्रोडक्ट का नाम मैं अभी नहीं लूंगी, उसके बारे में भी मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी. But the one thing that I disliked about the product is, like, I am talking the mascara which I used today. I didn't use this one because it got finished. It's totally dried right now. So वो जो मस्कारा है ना, वो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ मेरे लोअर लैश पे लगाने के बाद स्किन पे ट्रांसफर्ड हो गया है. दैट्स आई डोंट लाइक अबाउट दैट. सो ये जो एप्लीकेटर है, it not work like that. It works so smoothly, so well. That's why I really liked about this mascara, and I will definitely repurchase this one. This can be my go-to mascara for the daily kind of a looks. But if you are searching for a very heavy eyelashes or a festival looks or wedding looks kind of a product for your eyes, so you can go for Maybelline and L'Oreal Paris and for other expensive brands. But for a daily fuller look, you can definitely go for this mascara. I'm highly recommending to you. It's amazing. It's a hit. Please ignore all the background sounds, just because I can't do anything else. People comes and do their works, so I can't make them stop, or can't say कि please काम मत करो. मैं भी अपना काम कर रही हूँ, उनको भी करना है. So please just bear with me. The second product is again a mascara, which is My Glam Twist It Voluminizing and Curling Mascara. So it made for making our eyes voluminizing and what it calls curling. Okay. Now the special part about this product is it is a twisted mascara. What you can do is you need to twist this part and see, it will twist just like that to go in your inner corners, so that you can easily apply the mascara without having any problem like वो ट्रांसफर होने की प्रोडक्ट के आपकी स्किन पे और नीचे. So if you are having the hooded eyes just like me, definitely can go for this kind of a applicator. But so the innovation is too good, but as much as product is too bad. I mean, the innovation of twisting the applicator for making the application easy, it's good. But the one thing people complained about it, that जब वो इसको ऐसे twist करते हैं तो ये यहाँ से break हो जाता है. That's the one thing, one problem with that. And the product quality I don't like, just because of product is so clumsy. It makes your eyes so clumsy and clumpy, whatever the right word. I am not sure about the word, but यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट, आई होप सो, कि मैं क्या कहना चाहती हूँ. प्रोडक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा क्लिम्पी कर देता है आइस को, एंड प्रोडक्ट बिल्कुल भी आपके आइस पे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. सो कर्लिंग के बारे में और वॉल्यूमनाइजिंग के बारे में आई कांट से एनीथिंग अबाउट इट, बट दीज are some facts that I don't like this mascara. I'm never gonna buy this mascara again. So yeah, it's totally a miss one. You need to just um, you need to just ignore this product. But if you have used this product in the past, or whatever you are having the experience, what your experience is, you can just let me know in my comment section. But it is a very disappointed product, or it just made me disappointed, so it's a miss one for me. The next product that I'm having is from Manish Malhotra range. This is My Glam Manish Malhotra glitter eyeliner, but I use always this eye pencil to just give a shimmery look to my eye. So it is the shade Rose Dust. That's a very pretty shade, and I had applied this shade on my eyes today before making this video. Like, this is the swatch of this glittery eyeliner. Rose Dust is the shade, and I always used to apply this pencil to create my eye look just like that. It's a very easy and simple process. It glides so well, so smooth it is, and the shade I personally so like, just because it's a very subtle shade that you can apply, and you can use this shade as your daily makeup looks to creating an eyeliner, or as well as doing your glittery eye look. So definitely you can go for this product. It's a very very good product, and I am highly recommending you this product. This is so good. It's a very very the next product, again a eye product, and this is Superfoods Kajal in the shade Indigo. I don't like this product just because the shade is just a worst shade. It's not in the black, it's not in the purple. Like, indigo shade belongs to a purple kind of a shade, indigo color that represent a purplish shade or a purple shade range. But look at this. Is it looking like indigo color? It is just looking like a ashy gray color, which I don't personally like. You know, I purchased this Superfood Kajal in the shade Indigo to just thought about this product that I will make my eyes in a purple color. But this is not a right color. The name is so wrong, and so that's why I don't like this product. But definitely, if you are comfortable, you can go for this one. But I personally don't like the shade. Like, this is the shade. It's not looking so good. Let me apply this in my eyes. It's not in the brown side. It's not in the purplish side. What? Why I am calling shade? So this product shade is not in the purple side, or not even in the black or brown side. I don't like this product. So if you have used this and having a different opinion, definitely you can come in my comment section and let me know what are your thoughts. But I don't like this product, so it's a pass product. The next one is this My Glam Define It lip liner in the shade Candy, and comes in 0.3 gram of quantity. The lip liner looks like that. The shade is Candy. Like, this is the pink color of the shade of the liner. Shade is so good, but the product is not so, because the product is so bad. I'm not talking about the pigmentation, but it doesn't glide so easily, so well. It's not smooth. You have to just रगड़ना पड़ेगा आपको प्रोडक्ट को अपने आईज में, एंड दैट्स अ वेरी बैड थिंग. मुझे ऐसे कोई भी प्रोडक्ट रगड़ना बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ स्टोन, सो कांट यूज दिस प्रोडक्ट वेरी इजीली. वेन एवर आई जस्ट अप्लाई दिस लिप लाइनर, it takes so much time to be applied on my lips or to define my lips in the shape. So that's why I don't like this product. So it's a pass for me. I will not recommending you this product, and I will also not buy this product again. So it's a pass product. Now let's talk about some lippies, like the lip product as well. So these are some lipsticks which comes in a set. Like the shade are so different from each other, but it is the shade wifey and topper, and this is the shade ceo. Shade is so favorite of mine, and the topper shade, you can say it's kind of a mauvey shade, which I like to use. And this shade is wifey, that I used to apply when I was a teenager, but अब मैं बिल्कुल भी ऐसे shades apply नहीं करती हूँ. I don't know why I got so bored with this kind of a lip colors. पहले मैं बहुत यूज़ करती थी when I was in my college, and I was a student, तो तब मैं बहुत यूज़ किया करती थी. But this kind of a color I always deny to use nowadays, because I am more in the shades range of nude, browns and mauve tones. So yeah, but the one thing, like, let's come to the honest opinion about the product. Don't need to talk so much about the colors. So the product is not so good. I mean, when it came to me, I have heard so many reviews about that कि बहुत अच्छा product है, these lipsticks are so good. I don't know, it happened with me only, और आप लोगों के साथ भी हुआ है ऐसा कि ये lipsticks जो है ना, these are just got dried so quickly. Yeah, these are just wasted. I mean, मैं इसको ठीक से use भी नहीं कर पाई, couldn't use them properly, and before I use that, यूज़ करती ये बिल्कुल ड्राई हो चुकी थी. So that's the one biggest problem with these lipstick that I have faced. I don't know you guys have faced this problem or not, but let me know in the comment section if you have tried these lipsticks. ये मेरी बहुत जल्दी ट्राई हो गई. Although shade range की मैं बात करूँ, बहुत अच्छा है, इसमें और भी shade range आते हैं, so you can definitely go and check on the website. But दिस इज द वर्स्ट पार्ट अबाउट द लिपस्टिक, ये बहुत जल्दी ड्राई हो गई. एंड अगर मैं अभी इनको अप्लाई भी करूँ ना, तो फॉर्मूला इज सो ड्राइंग. आई मीन, लेट मी शो यू. फॉर्मूला इज सो ड्राइंग. सी, it just looks like that I am scratching a sketch on my hand. See the formula, not so good, and too sticky and dry. So I will not gonna buy this product anymore. It's a average product. I mean, not a hit, not a pass, but average. Color shade wise, these are so good, but if I talk about the formula, formulation is the main thing. Okay, so formula is not so good, so I will not gonna buy these lipsticks again. And let's talk about the another lipstick that I'm wearing right now. I know you people are supposing that what I am wearing. I am wearing this lipstick. This is a My Glam lit liquid matte lipstick in the shade Dater View. बहुत लोगों ने मुझसे इसका shade पूछा था when I applied this product in my previous shots on videos. ये तब भी बहुत compliment कर रहा था, and ये आज भी उतना ही compliment कर रहा है. So this is the exact shade. I mean, अभी मैं lips पे तो wear किए ही हुई हूँ, but as you can see, so this is the exact shade. But again, when it comes to the formulation, that's so important for a lipstick and a main part. It's not so good in the formulation. I liked and loved this lipstick so much just because of the color, the shade of this lipstick, but hate this lipstick just because of the formulation. I mean, it's too heavy, too sticky, and यहाँ पे ना ये ऐसे पपड़ी बना देता है मेरे lips पे. After like a certain amount of time, it just makes my lips so dry और चैपी से लिप्स कर देता है, विच आई डोंट लाइक अबाउट दिस. एंड आप इसकी 2-3 लेयर अप्लाई करोगे ना, तो यू विल फील सो हैवी दैट यू आर अप्लाइंग अ वेरी स्टिकी एंड हैवी थिंग दैट इज जस्ट सिटिंग ऑन योर लिप्स from a very long time. You will feel just like that. So definitely you can just deny to buy this product, and you can skip this product. I mean, I don't want to skip this one because shade is so good, but definitely if I will find a similar shade in a good formulation lipstick, so I will update you with that in my upcoming shorts. But what are your thoughts about this? Please let me know. For each and every product that I have shown to you, or I am showing to you in this video, don't forget to share your opinions as well, because that's all our matter. But for this, for now, I am not recommending to you. Shade care, you can go for this, but for the formulation, don't expect too much. Next product again comes from the K Play favorite gloss range, like a K Play range. It is a favorite gloss. I picked this lip gloss in the shade Berry Blast. It's a purple color of a shade, and to be honest, मैंने ये lip gloss बिल्कुल भी ज़्यादा अप्लाई नहीं की, just because of the one thing that I picked a wrong shade for me. I mean, purple berry blast kind of a shade है. मैंने सोचा था कुछ different try करते हैं, like we need to come out from our comfort zone, or need to apply a purple kind of a lip gloss, because purple lipstick, it's too much, but purple lip gloss can be lighter for the daily skin, or purple lip gloss can be lighter for the daily skin and daily use. So I thought, why not, I should try a purple lip gloss. But it got so wrong, it made my decision so wrong, because this lip gloss not look so good. I mean, अभी तो मैंने ऐसे ही लगा ली है, but the main thing is कि on the bare skin it can be look good, but it doesn't suits to me, can say. But the texture and the formulation not so good. Again, वही heavy and sticky problem है इसके साथ भी, so I will not go for this one. um, you can go for this क्योंकि बहुत सारे people ने review किया है कि it's so good and all and all, but my review and my honest opinion about this lip gloss is I will never gonna buy this lip gloss again. And your thoughts can be so different from me, but yeah, this is my honest review for this one. Maybe it didn't work for me or did work for you, so let me know in the comment. But I'm not recommending to you, and as well as I will not buy this lip gloss again. So yeah, let's skip that. Next product is from My Glam, and this is Manish Malhotra. Manish Malhotra's lipstick in the shade Blush Rose. Net weight is 4 gram and cost rupees 950, but you can grab this lipstick by using the coupons and grabbing some deals on My Glam. So definitely you don't need to go for this one, because if you are looking for a bullet lipstick that doesn't transfer or doesn't fade from some certain amount of time, so it's not for you, because this lipstick got transferred easily from my lips to my cloth or to my hand. तो इसको आप डेफिनेटली स्किप कर सकते हो. इट्स नॉट अ वेरी वेरी बेस्ट थिंग. आई मीन वैसे प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा है, बट इफ़ यू seriously looking for kind of some specifications or kind of a quality of the product, don't need to be so conscious, or don't need to be so irresponsible for doing your impulsive shopping just because of the packaging and the luxuriousness about the product. I mean, I know it looks so attractive and luxurious. I also had got attracted with that, but this is not the thing that you really need to try. I mean, people are just dying to buy these lipsticks, but this is not a jam product. So definitely in this market there are so many quote lipsticks that I will reviewing, and I will that I will review, and also I will give you a honest review or share some lipstick in my other video. And if you really want to watch these kind of video where I will be reviewing some lipstick to you, then definitely please let me know in the comment section. अगर आप देखना चाहते हो वो videos, तो मैं definitely आपके लिए लेके आऊँगी. But for now, for this lipstick, just because of the packaging you are going to buy this lipstick, or a brand name that it comes from Manish Malhotra range, don't need to spend 999 rupees, and don't need to even spend 200 rupees for these kind of lipstick. I mean, shade is so good, Blush Rose. It's a very nudish, mauvish kind of a shade for the daily use. But there are so many other lipsticks with having of high quality and similar specifications, and as well as a good and better specifications and the quality in itself. So you need to go for those lipsticks. Just skip that. The last product that I have tried, it's so cute, and this is My Glam Smoothie Love Tinted Lip Balm. This is a lip balm, and it's a very beautiful tinted lip balm in affordable range. Like मैंने अपना पूरा हाथ ऐसा कर लिया है. यहाँ पे दिखाऊँ swatch यार. So this is the lip balm. It gives you a very natural tint. If you like this kind of a tint on your lips, definitely you can go for this lip balm. It comes in a very affordable price. I think MRP should be 299, but I'm not sure. 349 is the MRP, but you can buy this lip balm in a very affordable price, as well as it's available on the Smitten right now. So if you really need to try this one or want to try, so you can definitely go and try from the Smitten. Then you can go for the purchasing. But the lip balm is so good in itself. I mean, it's a kind of average lip balm, not so good, not so bad, but can be a hit product, not a pass product. So definitely you can go for this one if you are office girl who loves to apply lip balms, not want to wear lipsticks, and want a beautiful natural tint on your lips, and it not last or long last so well or for the whole day. But definitely if it works for you, like for the some time, so you can definitely go for this one. I mean, for the office and college going girls ke liye, teenager ke liye, तो it is the best option in the market. So yeah, if I'm reviewing this, so I want to say this, that you can go for this one. It's a hit product is this makeup My Glam Melt Awake Cleansing Makeup Balm. Like, it's a kind of a makeup removing balm. It's enriched with sunflower oil, bisabolol oil, and ginger root extract. Comes in 45 gram of quantity and costs you rupees 349. So it's a very very good balm, though. Balms or makeup cleansing balms are so much trending nowadays in the market. And look at that, this is the product actually, and it works so well. I mean, after using or trying the cleansing balm from the Plum, it got the favoriteness of mine. Like, it became my favorite makeup cleansing balm. Like, look at that, it just melt your makeup so easily, and just you can remove any kind of a makeup with this makeup cleansing balm. I got my hand so clumsy, so care bear with me. So this is a very very good makeup cleansing balm. Smells just like vanilla. Like, इसमें से बिल्कुल vanilla and caramel kind of smell आती है. And I'm not sure that it is good enough for which kind of a skin. Like, I have oily skin, but for the winters my skin always get transfer into the combination or a normal skin type. So abhi winters ke liye, so it's very easy, but for the summers it can be so oily. But what I do is I use this cleansing balm, and after that I just washed my face with a very heavy duty face wash, so that I can make everything so easy and simple, or I don't get anything like any kind of a irritation or pimple and acne kind of a thing on my skin. So you can definitely go for this one. It's a hit product, but I am not sure for which kind of a skin type, so इसमें मैं थोड़ा सा skeptical हूँ. But like, according to winters it's so good. For the summers I just remove this balm so quickly, so that I couldn't get anything like any harshness or any acne kind of any trouble for the skin, or any kind of a concern. So definitely you can use as it is, like as I use this balm for myself according to the winters and summers. But this is in a hit product in itself. The last product that I really want to review is this XOXO Feisty My Glam Lit perfume. Oh my god, I got this perfume in a, you can say, in a deal or in a combo, where I was getting a combo with the perfume and a lip balm or a pouch kind of type. So उसमें मैंने ये लिया था, and this smells so good. I mean, the perfume is so luxurious. Like, the smell of this perfume is perfect for a girly or a boy, you can say. Yeah, it can be unisex perfume, and you can go for this one. I mean, the shape of this perfume is also so cute. You can give this perfume on this Valentine Day to your girlfriend or a boyfriend as well. But yeah, really, it's a very very good perfume. It's XOXO Feisty variant. You really need to try this. I am highly recommending you this product. It's a hit. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope you liked my video, and it would have been so helpful to you. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such kind of videos, and please let me know in the comment section कि आप ऐसी ही videos देखना चाहते हो for recommending some good makeup and affordable makeup, and as well as trying a new makeup that is coming into the market, and the brands that comes always comes up in a very very good makeup and with the packaging. So definitely just let me know in my comment section. I will be reviewing everything for you guys, and I also love to make these kind of videos. I really want to change some content ideas for my YouTube channel, to get a good growth and as well as some new audience as well. So please help me and just like my video, share my video with your friends and family if you liked it, and if you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Don't forget to press the bell icon, and don't forget to drop your beautiful comments for me. So yeah, that's all about for today, and I will meet you in my next one. Till then, be kind to yourself and to others also.